Sandboxes. Sandboxes are advanced security mechanisms used to run untrusted code or programs from third parties. It also used for all general users to prevent intrusion of malware, spyware, etc. One of the best examples for sandbox is Sandboxes. Sandboxes runs your program in an isolated space which prevents them from making permanent changes to other programs and data in your computer. Working of a sandbox. The red arrow indicates changes flowing from a running program into your computer. The box labeled hard disk with no sandbox shows changes by a program running normally. The box labeled hard disk with sandbox shows changes by a program running under Sandboxes. The animation illustrates the sandbox is able to intercept the changes and isolate them with a sandbox, depicted as an yellow rectangle. It also illustrates that grouping the changes together makes it easy to delete all of them at once. Uses of Sandbox. Secure web browsing. Running your web browser under the protection of Sandbox means that all malicious software downloaded by the browser is trapped in the sandbox and can be discarded trivially. Enhanced privacy. Browsing history, cookies, and cache temporary files collected while web browsing stays in a sandbox and does not leak into Windows. Secure email. Virus and other malicious software that might be hiding in your email cannot break out of the sandbox and cannot infect your real system. Windows stays clean. Prevent wear and tear in Windows by installing software into an isolated sandbox. Sandboxes are advanced security mechanisms developed to overcome the drawbacks of antivirus software. By this, you can prevent the spreading of virus at the starting stages. Most of the sandboxes are freely available on the internet. It provides better security and privacy in every step of usage. It also prevents sniffing of data, eavesdropping, and intrusion, so sandboxes are considered as the best security countermeasure. IHC strongly recommends all the members to use sandboxes to protect your privacy. How to use Sandbox? Open Sandbox from IHC Toolkit and install it on your system. After installation, open Sandbox C control, click on Sandbox tab and select Default Box option. Now go to Run Sandbox and select the program you want to run. If you notice, all the programs run under Sandbox have hash symbol on both ends of the program name. You can configure Sandbox by clicking on Configure tab. You can also create a new sandbox and can run any program according to your requirement. Enter the sandbox name and run any program according to your requirement. In this way, you can use Sandbox and maintain privacy.